Table now?
Go get Daddy. Go get him. Go get him. Where is he? Where is he?
Boo! Of course.
Should we read a story? Can you get Mommy a book? Let's find a book. Can you bring Mommy a book, Greta?
That's a good book. Go bring it to Mommy.
Come here. Can I see it? Oh, let's read that one. Oh, Skippy John Jones. We love Skippy John Jones. Come on. What did you find? A B. Where's Greta's baby? Can you find Greta's baby? Where is she? Where's your baby? Where's your baby, Greta? Oh, do you see the doggy? Oh, or the kitty? Look at the kitty on your block. Never mind. Where's the baby? There she is! Oh, what a nice baby. Oh, are you rocking her? Oh, that's such nice rocking. Can you give her hugs? Can you give her hugs? Hugs! And kisses? Can you give her kisses too? Give baby kisses. Oh, did you find your bear? Oh, boy. Oh, what a nice bear. Can you give your bear hugs and kisses too? Can you give your bear hugs, Greta? Oh, did you find five shiny stars?